Digital marketing campaigns. 10 effective strategies to begin today. Are you ready to take your digital marketing to the next level? Here are 10 types of campaigns you can start today. Number 1. Social media marketing. Engage with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Number 2. Content marketing. Create valuable and relevant content to attract and retain customers. Number 3. Email marketing. Build a strong email list and send targeted campaigns to drive conversions. Number 4. Search engine optimization. Optimize your website to rank higher in search engine results. Number 5. Pay-per-click advertising. Drive traffic to your website through paid ads on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Number 6. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your industry to promote your brand. Number 7. Video marketing. Create engaging videos to showcase your products or services. Number 8. Mobile marketing. Reach your audience through mobile apps and optimized websites. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. Partner with affiliates who will promote your products or services for a commission. And finally, number 10. Remarketing. Target users who have already visited your website, increasing your chances of conversion. Remember, a combination of these strategies can yield great results. So, don't be afraid to mix and match. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks.